fourth and final part of our Dollar General liquidation pallets that we bought from You Pick a Pallet in Mount Vernon, Illinois. We probably have like 10 to 15 more boxes left of those two ginormous 10-foot pallets. Like I said, 4 got for $500. The links will be in the description below, so make sure to check You Pick a Pallet out. We got some really good deals from them, and we'll go ahead and just dive right into the last boxes. Thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in. Make sure to like and subscribe to us, and we're picking up more pallets this weekend, probably.
We got some nicotine patches, some party supplies, some Colgate, a wine glass, some bags, some birthday stuff. This is a real hodgepodge. My
box is full of more Dum Dum, like Valentine's suckers, and then some more of those Kool-Aid Valentine's Day stuff.
Oh,
so
here's some medicine down here.
It's completely full, so that's what that box is.
I love to find meds. There's a bunch of different knickknacks in this one.
You like medicine. Medicine smells really good for us on eBay.
Okay. Here's some more condoms. Some Pepto-Bismol. Adult balloons. Whatever you'd like to call them. Oh, here's some Paw Patrol masks. What's that? More party stuff. Got a bunch of little party favors down here. Like dig and see if they're some little popcorn you can paint in.
This is a ginormous box. It's all the way full. It's definitely not all the way full.
Some more adult condoms.
There's got some good stuff in here though. So we have some of these track phones. Keep your own smartphone SIM kits. We found these before in pallets, and they do really well on eBay. So we found phones and stuff in DG4. So
light bulbs, and there's a ton of makeup down in the bottom, and just a ton of party supplies.
This one,
very hodgepodge.
This one is the majority of toys. We have like little airplanes, some little dressed up doll sticker kits, Halo, like Lego building guy thing, some balloons, some non-stick pads, bath bomb surprise. We have some baby shoes sitting here at the bottom. I'll show you for this one.
Ooh.
Portable protein pack.
Oh, these would be cute for Raylan.
There will be some change. We have some Christmas stuff and Christmas crafts.
Hodgepodge. Can't reach down there. Oh, a bunch of toys.
Some more of these track phone kits.
Ooh.
Some microfiber application pads.
Debit card?
Yeah, it's like one of those. It's like a debit card you buy to load money on. Some more of these protein packs.
Are these expired? No. Yeah, these are expired.
Are they?
This one is.
This one just expired, but there's nothing in here that expired.
I was gonna say I can't imagine this wouldn't. This will probably be. We'll keep this probably.
Yeah.
Yeah,
there's nothing in there that expired.
Yeah, they're just sunflower seeds and beef jerky and peanuts. So yeah, non-perishable stuff.
Dino eggs. Like those ones that you brush off. Car air fresheners, more sticker pads. Some like Mickey Mouse like little thing. Little Pet Shop. Some Texas sippy cups. Some more toothpaste out of the box, so let's do that. Some more air fresheners. Jolt eye drops. Super glue. More of those portable proteins. Pork gravy mix.
Ugh.
Some more lip balm. Tons of lip balm. Like tons of it. So that's the good thing about these. You get so much stuff. I mean, just put these in a quarter in a box at a flea market. More toothpaste, more bath bombs, more Texas coffee mugs, more super glue, some Disney Princess, more little Call of Duty figures.
Here's some chocolate. This makes me think of that SpongeBob episode. Chocolate.
Some eyeliner, some hair clips. So lots of merchandise in this one. It wasn't all the way full, but there was a ton of good stuff in it. So.
Some little hair ties. I'll put my stuff in yours. Oh, here's a candle.
Yeah, and even if
Christmas
you guys
candles.
don't want to mess with a full pallet of Dollar General, because it is a lot of stuff, and it's a lot of work to price all this and move it all. If you don't have a big place to store it, make sure you guys tune in on Wednesday nights to You Pick a Pallet's Facebook page. They do live auctions every Wednesday. And they'll usually break down like a Dollar General pallet like this, and they'll just pull in this random box off a pallet, and they'll show what's in it, and they'll just auction off that one box. So if you don't mess with a full pallet, do something like that if you want. Just to get a start on Dollar General, get your feet wet if you want. You
So,
dive right in.
this whole box, I'm not going to unpack it because it actually is packed pretty nice. If you can see it, the Dum Dum Valentines, the unicorn ones, there's some of the Kool-Aid ones in here. There's tons of the Valentine's Day cards that we pulled out. And then tons of chocolate down there. And these little pre-made cookies I thought were really cute. This one's open, so we'll have to put that away. But
Wow, this is a nice little box here. So we have like all these really nice like
that is a good one.
serving trays. There's got 10 in this stack. There's another stack of them right here. And none of them are cracked or like broken or anything. So $3 a piece, what they retail for. We have some blue baskets like that. And how do we go through this one? This is a good one. Here's some bread baskets. Look at those blue ones. We have all these little plates.
Wow, these plates are cute too.
All these plates.
Tons of plates.
We have all these really nice little bowls. $3.50 a piece retail. I mean, that's something you can get $1 a piece for at a yard sale or flea market, or something like that. We have a bunch of. We have a pillow.
Wow.
We have a ton of Sudafed.
Tons.
This is all good. Tons of Sudafed.
Cold and severe medicine.
Yep, we have some of that
Bras.
nighttime cold and flu, generic
Bras.
NyQuil. This stuff was the best way to tell for just anybody, just a general tip. Generic medicine is the same as name brand medicine. The easiest way to find out, since we're both in the healthcare field, we know, just look at your active ingredient, your main ingredient for medicine. If you look at NyQuil, if the main ingredient is the same percentage and same dosage of your generic, they're exact same, do the exact same, and you'll make a lot of money. So,
This is
save a lot of
cute
money.
book for Buddy.
And then tons of activity books.
Look at this book. How
Mix
cute
and match
is
packs.
that?
Some color by numbers.
Oh.
A frozen make paper dress things.
There's some
Another
coloring
dinosaur
books
book,
down here,
some
some
more
drawing
Sudafed.
books.
So Sophie the First. So you got a lot of stuff in that one. I mean, this one pill is $8 retail. Lots of face masks.
And they're not even really dirty. So.
No. So another really good box. And this is why we like DG. I mean, you just don't know what you're going to get. Perfect yard sale stuff. With the spring coming up, people want to get outside. They keep getting from COVID. So this is just great stuff. You advertise this stuff, get it real cheap. Or sell it real cheap.
Oh,
I don't know where to
over here. Put it over here.
Okay.
Alright. Looks like a bunch of bras in here. And if you've watched any of our previous videos, Josh always talks about, don't be afraid of these, don't throw them away, you can get them off. So he'll have fun. I can't ever figure it out. He'll have fun getting all those off our bras before our yard sale comes
I mean,
up.
you might leave like a teeny, tiny little bitty hole in them, but like I said, just get you like a flathead screwdriver, put it underneath the clip, pry it open, just like open up, you get your wire clippers in there, and just squeeze those in there, cut that prong, and then bam, you're done. The ink doesn't come out, it won't bust on you. I promise you, I've done enough of them that I know. So it's an easy way. Legally, I've done enough of them that I would know. we don't
Face
steal.
masks. And in the bottom of this is just bras and underwear, which is always a good box because every yard sale we've had, we can't keep the bras and underwear.
Yeah. Another box you can't keep in is this right here. A whole box of flip-flops.
Yeah.
So even at DG, they're like $1, $1.50. But put them at a yard sale, 75 cents each, or 2 for $1, and you will literally fly through them like crazy. And there's actually toys at the bottom of this. So we have a Sesame Street. Let's learn about dogs. It's got a bunch of cool dogs. Oh, there's a chocolate lab. We have a koozie, Mississippi State. Oh man, look at a lot of stuff down here. We have some Glade air freshener. We have a really nice little coffee mug.
Cute coffee mug.
America, 4th of July, like I said, a koozie. Another coffee mug. There's some good stuff in here. Hold on. There's a book.
Oh, like 4th of July stuff.
Patriotic
Oh, that's
gnomes.
cute. There's a little stuff
Southern Miss, Mississippi State koozies. Little Star Wars puzzle.
Oh, those are cute.
Southern Miss Passy clip. Wish it was Southern Illinois.
Hey, you never know
Baby
what
flip
you'll
flops.
find.
You never know what you're gonna find, EG. We've had lots of friends that have bought pallets from You Pick a Pallet and they get SIU stuff in it. A little cup. What is this? A glow flag. More Southern Miss koozies.
Cute too. Oh, 4th of July.
A little graduation panel.
Does it say a year on it? No.
More Southern Miss stuff. A little puppy dog plush.
I heard some glass.
Oh, some more coffee mugs. Mississippi State koozie, Mississippi State koozie. And Enjoy mug.
I just cannot believe that those cups are broke.
They had all these patty loads flip flops. Another, a nice rooster.
Oh, it's cute too.
We like roosters.
This box is loaded, so I'm gonna wait until he's done.
I think that's about it besides flip flops. There's probably 20 pairs of flip flops in here too. So another hodgepodge box. Some more holiday stuff. So
this is a 6-pack of sparkling water.
perfect. Alright, I'll let you do next box.
We're gonna do this one together. It's like loaded.
Okay.
Stuff.
Are we opening one? We're not looking at one. Wait.
It wasn't taped.
I mean, so we're saying we may have looked at it at the pallet store. No, we didn't.
I looked at it at the pallet store. I'm not gonna lie. It
Wow,
was like
this
one of
thing is
those
full.
boxes where it was like tucked, and I was like, ooh, this looks like a really good box
This
size.
thing is probably, this box height is, oh my gosh, it's over my knees. Once again, DT,
So-
gotta love it.
Tons of cannabis in here.
Cups of noodles,
Medicine.
some Mexican
We just
hot
sold like
sauce,
12 of these on eBay for
20 bucks.
20 bucks, yeah.
free shipping, a blanket, and it costs like nothing to ship those. They weigh the
Or-
down.
Meds.
Some Febreze. Oh,
Careful, these are glass.
this is what you are.
I'm a nerd.
Nerds,
Okay.
some Band-Aid. Oh, those are more nicotine.
Oh, yet again,
These nicotine
this
patches.
isn't expired either.
What is it?
It's like you put it in your water and it thickens it for people who have
These
dysphagia.
nicotine patches are expired, but barely. So I know for 100% fact they still sell any because I've seen people sell them before. We never sold them before, but they do. Some tampons.
Tons of meds here.
LSU back scratcher. And now we're getting into a lot of makeup. EOS,
Warner.
Maybelline,
Nicotine patches.
lots of socks. Socks do
Yeah.
awesome for us at yard sale. You put pictures of socks and underwear brand new in a marketplace. Yeah, it will bring people all the way. Despicable Me plates, socks,
Here's some
socks,
royal blades or
Stop.
blades, however you say it.
balloons. Oh my gosh.
This is awesome. Gloves, socks.
Oh, a women's onesie pajamas.
I'm glad to see boxes like this.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Oh yes,
Some sweatpants, men's sweatpants.
I love this.
Hanes,
yes.
too. And this is
Clothes.
perfect for
I
flea markets.
love
More socks,
Seeing this, tons of
socks,
clothes.
socks. I mean, $5 a piece. $5 a piece retail. We paid $500 for the whole pallet. Just
So these,
reminder.
just as
reminder.
like a quick, this box is full of them. Each outfit goes for $5 retail.
I mean, just look at the
On there.
kids socks, and as you know, people flock
Love.
to kids stuff at yard sales and flea markets. I mean, my goodness, there's probably
Dog mom.
50 bundles of youth socks in here. I'm not kidding. I mean, just tons of clothing.
more little boys' clothes. I mean, brand new sweatpants, even.
Yeah, little outfits like this. I mean, you put those $2 or $3 at a flea market, and I guarantee they're probably gone within an hour or two.
I'm trying to see if there's anything else.
I mean, there's tons of socks. I mean, there's just more socks that just keep coming out.
Sweatshirt.
Sweatpants, adults, more sweatpants.
That's cute.
More sweatpants.
Even nicer sweatshirt.
Yeah, I mean.
It's full down here. We're full of socks.
Boys, little shark, fleece pajamas, socks,
I think we showed
socks,
probably like
socks.
one of everything.
Yeah.
But just so you know, like this box is pretty big and it's still over halfway full.
Yeah.
So.
There's so much value in these. I mean, if you have the time and the space to mess with it, you cannot go wrong with these types of pallets from Dollar General. I mean, you can't. They're so big. You get so much quantity for them.
I don't like these being in there. The being glass.
That's a good way to ruin much stuff.
Especially clothes.
Yeah.
All right.
Here.
Holy moly! That is all down my face.
That's good. Well, let's just show them. We'll just put it up here. All right. So this whole thing again is full of candy. As you can see, it's very large. I'm 6'1", and you can barely see my head. The good thing I'm seeing in this one though is stuff like this right here, Snickers and Twix, and there you go. So in this, so
yeah,
I made some better candy in this one.
Oh, and then in one of our previous videos, we had a big gallon thing of not gallon, but a big jug of. I think I can get it out right now. Of pretzels, and I see.
Oh, look at this. Russell
2 or 3 of those in there.
A whole case of Russell Stover.
Woo!
Yeah. I want some Russell Stover.
No.
Just gobs and gobs
Careful with the chocolate, you'll break it.
of candy. Yeah. Tons of candy. Russell Stover, Snickers.
These, there's tons of these little bags too.
Boxes of candy.
With animals on the outside.
Tons of these candies right here. Yeah, just tons of candy. We won't go through the whole thing. We'll be here till midnight. Alright, I'm gonna move this. Good?
Broken chocolate.
Yeah. And the Scratch and Dent special. Get a discount on that now. 50% off at Monjoli Market.
Oh, another good box.
Yes.
A box of Hostess cinnamon rolls. 6 of these in a box.
I'd be surprised to see hardly any of them hit the flea market yard sales, to be completely honest. Alright, so we have a little bit of hodgepodge, just some little makeup bags, some swimsuit bottoms or underwear, I'm not quite sure.
There's another 6-pack of cherry cheese danishes. There's 6 of these.
A whole thing of like scrapbook stickers and party stickers, some Slinkies, more little purses, and then tons of tablecloths and party supplies, more little purses, more tablecloths, more plates, napkins. Yeah, I mean the whole bottom of the box is full. Here's some really nice, like, oh nice,
yes.
anchor hocking pie dishes.
Those sold.
These sold really quick. These are actually a really nice brand that they sell at Dollar General. Like, they're actually pretty expensive.
This is a box full of flip-flops.
So a nice little find there at the bottom of the box. More plates on this side, more napkins, more stickers, random little Lego toy in here, LOL stickers, plates, tablecloths, some Arkansas nail files that are still in the NCAA tournament somehow. They have a really easy path. Arkansas phone charger.
He's not bitter about it.
Don't get me started.
Oh, Josh! Look!
Bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap!
Perfect. Hey, key for the business right there.
Hey, we go through this like crazy.
Bouncy
So
balls.
you thought it was like something a little more exciting.
I thought it was something like that.
Backpack.
I remember when me and you looked.
Here's some floral bushes.
We looked forever when those penny. We went to all kinds of UGs to try to find those, and we could never find them.
Our Dollar Generals in the area do a really good job pulling all their penny items.
Next box. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and staying with us. I know these videos go really long, but they're really exciting for us. We have to take our time. We enjoy this. We do a business, but this is our hobby too. It's time that we get to spend together as a weekend. You being sarcastic?
No, for sure.
Yeah, so it's something we can do together on the weekend, especially with a little one. We're really limited on what we can do, as a lot of you know. Some Maybelline makeup in this. Christmas ornament paint, a little massager.
A what?
A massager.
Oh, okay.
Some gloves, some believers. Back to Christmas stuff, some sock hats. I know this is really random.
This whole thing is full of.
Am I the only one, or did you guys know that Dollar General sells Adidas?
I did not know $1.
I literally had no idea that Dollar General sold Adidas stuff.
This whole box is full of heart candy.
Ornaments. Look at all the Christmas bows. Goodness gracious sakes alive.
Oh my.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
That's a little broken.
Oh my, these chocolates might be a little old there. Tons of bows. Yeah, and see, like as we always say, the gold is usually at the bottom. And look what's underneath all these bows.
What is it? What's inside it?
Cookie cutters. You're gonna have some brand new pajamas. I think. Yeah, they're brand new. I thought I saw something on them, but
yeah, there's something on the shirt.
Okay.
It's a little stained.
A blanket, bring your blanket, some more clothes, and then look at all this. Sunscreen, bug spray, some really nice paper plates, the Solo brand. That's when you know you're big time. You need a girls at the party. Some little monster storage bin. Look at all the ice trays. Goodness gracious.
Yeah, those pennies too. I remember looking for those.
A mop refill, sunscreen, plasticware, more sunscreen, tanning oil, sunscreen, Swiffer things. And look at all this makeup. My goodness. I don't know what Believe Beauty Skin Finish is, but there's probably like 20 of them. Right here.
I'm sure the brain. Oh.
More makeup.
This is a true hodgepodge box.
More of these. More party streamers. More makeup. More sunscreen.
Stuffed animals.
Some cloth. Yeah, a lot of good stuff in that one too.
Alright, some toys. These are the off-brand Dollar General Legos, I'm pretty sure.
But they sell.
But they sell. I was getting there. Here's a bunch of flip-flops down here. Water balloons. There's some goggles in here. Some little squirt guns. I mean, little kid flip-flops. Boy and girl flip-flops. Some Despicable Me stuff.
There's been a pallet sitting up there for, you pick a pallet for how many months, Hunter? How many months have we walked by that pallet?
It's been a few.
It's just a humongous Gaylord, and the Gaylords are like those, I always compare them to watermelon boxes. You keep the grocery store, they put watermelons in it, you pick a pallet, and it's literally a Gaylord of that. It's from Dollar General, and it looks like it's completely full of flip-flops. All the way to the brim, I mean like, probably 5 foot tall, all the bottom, overflow full of flip-flops. And I only want like $400 for it.
Chatty Cathy, will you grab that thing?
Hey, Chatty Cathy, I'm talking.
Grab that thing of rugs.
Oh, sorry, I thought you needed to do that.
Pick it up.
Alright, so my next box is this one. We only got like 4 or 5 boxes left, I think.
That one and 3 more.
So this one again, really nice. Full of brand new rugs. So this one, welcome to our home, home sweet home, welcome to our home again. Flower something. Something love grows here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 brand new rugs. They each have $8 a piece. All on that one, all tags.
Okay. I bet there's probably 100 different bottles of.
Oh my. Yeah, you ain't kidding.
Sunscreen and canning oil.
Hey, anybody turning 4 in our family? We got enough of these birthday candles.
I don't even know if there's anything else in here.
Oh, yeah, there is. My gosh. Look at all the sunscreen. Here's some undies.
Here's some party stuff. What's this?
More party plates.
Sunscreen lip balm. There's a bunch of party stuff in the bottom, it looks like. I honestly bet there's probably at least 50 bottles.
Oh, yeah, there's more than that, probably. Yeah, I agree. And tons of just like, even like the sunscreen lip balm is banana boat. And that's what's coming out of the piece. Oh, this is a little package. There's even deodorant. I didn't know they even. Oh no, those are, it's sunscreen, but it's not made deodorant sick. That's kind of cool.
For kids.
Yeah.
We might keep some of that. We're getting ready to go to Florida in May, so.
Yeah, always wear sunscreen. That's my PSA for this video. Always wear sunscreen. Don't tan. I was a victim of that, and a survivor. That's all I can say. It wasn't as serious, but melanoma is a real thing. So just be careful.
I'm not gonna dig through this whole box.
Yeah, I really want to dig through it all, but
I'm not gonna do it on camera.
So that box is huge. It's full of stuff.
I'm not gonna make our subscribers watch that. That's like I said. I don't even know how to do video stuff. Right up here.
It might not be. It's all good.
That's a dump and find out what's in it.
Oh my.
Oh, this is my favorite.
The Charlie Sour Bright Lips.
Trolley.
These nasty hearts again. But then we have some good stuff. Russell Stover, chocolate hearts, more Russell Stover.
You broke
more
my heart.
Russell Stover. Did I?
Yep.
That's why you did with me for 12 years. My gosh, look at the candy.
And it's not like
It's
all
Russell
what we
Stover.
got before. It's a little bit different stuff.
Yeah, it's a little bit everything.
Yeah. Some of the same, but.
Yeah, all in that box. It's all candy.
I might as well just leave that box here because this is the last one I got right here.
When does chocolate expire?
I don't know.
It doesn't mean it's for a long time.
Does it have an expiration date on it?
I was looking. June of.
Where do you see it?
It's really faint. June 21. That's probably just the sell by, if I was guessing. I don't think it really will expire.
This is a box of bags.
A what?
Looks like.
Oh,
Box
bags.
of bags.
Perfect. $15. Little beach bags.
Bunch of bags.
Bunch of bags. Is the last box?
Yep. I said that.
Sorry. I don't listen. More bags, some rulers.
Whatever that is. Hey, here's some
Effie Smooth. Removes hair at the root.
party supplies.
More party supplies. Thank goodness you're almost out of those.
License plate cover.
Going down.
Here's some Christmas decorations. He can't hardly stand it that he can't see it.
I don't know, it drives me nuts. It's all good though. It's all for fun.
Whatever that is. I can't see it. I don't have my glasses on.
Appetite control. Some kind of appetite control vitamin supplement.
There you go.
We have some Titan tape.
Hey, here's a Cheesecake Factory gift card.
The ultra flexible tone. So basically, you can totally put this on like a hose or a pipe that's leaking, and it'll fix it.
A little book. That's about it.
About it.
A little doggy.
Yep. Thank you guys.
That's about it.
Well, that right there was our
It's our last video.
$1,000 Dollar General pallet unboxing. There's 2 of them, of course. As we did really well. Like this is a no-brainer, make your money back type of thing, and make a lot of profit. Use so much stuff, so you guys make sure and tune in again. We'll have more videos probably this next couple days, early next week probably. Like, subscribe, check out You Pick a Pallet. They're great people, and they have great prices and great service. So thanks a lot for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.
See ya.